Sun, waves, and seafood. What better way to spend the afternoon than catching your dinner fresh from the Gulf? But even recreational crabbers like Allison and Jay Gruber will tell you crabbing is harder than it looks. The Cape Coral couple has been trapping stone crabs on and off for 15 years. First, you need to know where to place the traps.
It has to do with water depth, it has to do with temperatures, it has to do with cold fronts coming through. All these different things cause the crabs to move.
You also have to select the right bait. Today, it's raw chicken.
We have used leftover Thanksgiving turkeys. Pretty much any kind of meat you throw in there seems to work. You can put fish in there if you wanted to.
And of course, you have to know how to extract the crab properly.
I think those gloves are really a false sense of security, because if one of those crabs actually got a hold of my finger, I don't know what would happen. They are very strong, and even the little guys that you don't think there's much to them, they have a lot of strength.
Jay says it's not uncommon to open the trap and find an interloper. This telltale purple dye indicates sea slugs before they even open the trap.
So we will catch calico crabs, we'll catch pass crabs, blue crabs, lots of different types of shrimp. We'll get these mean little mudfish in there.
The one intruder they really hate, the 8-legged variety.
Octopus actually eat stone crabs. So if there's octopus in the area, there's no reason to keep your traps there, because you'll pull up a trap that has nothing but an octopus in it. And then you have the fun of getting rid of the octopus.
You also have to know the law. There are limits on when crabbers can place traps. Recreational crabbers can set a maximum of 5 traps per person, which must be registered. Gruber says it's a common misconception that the crabs are killed.
You take the claws off, you throw the live crab back, they grow the claws back. And they actually grow them back pretty rapidly.
Jay only takes one claw off because with one claw the crab can still defend itself until the other regrows. The law forbids taking crabs that have eggs, and its claw must be at least 2 3/4 inches long. Today they have to throw almost all of them back because of eggs, which is a bit unusual in early April.
All crabs that have eggs, you cannot take their claws, they must be thrown back whole and live.
Gruber said the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission is studying the issue. Although the Grubers have harvested as many as 14 claws on an outing, today they will only take home 2. And there's still boat cleanup and unpacking ahead. But Jay says crabbing isn't just about hauling up traps.
Part of the reason we'd like to do the crabbing is it gives us an excuse that we have to go out in the boat. And sometimes we need that.
For C250, I'm Steve Layton.